Netgate Protectli. If you're looking for firewall protection, then you're in the right place. If you are looking for software to protect your internet, then one of these two will be the right option. However, how do you choose which one is best for your personal needs? Let's check them out and we'll make a decision thereafter. Alright, so Netgate offers advanced firewall and routing capabilities. Netgate's pfSense Plus delivers up to 10 gigabytes per second firewall and routing performance. It offers load balancing, traffic shaping, and UTM features. It's suitable for pro homes, SMBs, and edge deployments. It offers versatile VPN integration. So pfSense Plus supports secure remote and site-to-site VPN connectivity, hardware acceleration with Intel's QAT and AES-NI boosts encryption without sacrificing your speed. It's ideal for business-grade encryption communications. Intel's quick asset technology and AES-NI enhance VPN throughput. Also, it enables security user connections from anywhere, and it supports encrypted links between multiple locations. It also offers flexible network security applications. So Netgate supports a large span of web filtering. It has a failover WAN and third-party app compatibility, which extends network security and reliability. Having a look at one or two of their drawbacks, their hardware dependency. So optimal speeds require specific Netgate hardware like the 6100 unit. The existing hardware may limit peak performance. Also, it has extensive features which brings a steep learning curve for anybody that is not really acquainted with the specific software. Also, it may be quite overwhelming for small teams without a dedicated IT staff member. Okay, so if you are looking for advanced network security, Protectli is here for you. So Protectli Vault firewalls offer strong cyber threat protection with 4 GB Ethernet ports for high-speed data transfer. They have built-in encryptions that ensure fast, secure data, and it's ideal for homes and even small businesses needing a comprehensive network security system. They offer open source software compatibility. So Protectli supports pfSense, OPNsense, and IPFire, which offers a broad software choice for any type of customization to fit specific security needs of your business, of your home, or whatever else it is. The Protectli difference. So Protectli really boasts how they have a great customer support, they have a wide knowledge base, and they really back you up with repairs and warranty services. So they state that we're here for every step until your issue is resolved. We are just a call or an email away. So they're easy to contact, and you can call them or you can email them as you prefer. Also, their knowledge base website is an extensive library of technical answers, articles, and tutorials. So if you have a more technical inquiry, or if you need to know something that's a little bit more technical, you will be able to find it within their knowledge base, as well as if you're looking for a tutorial on how to complete a function or a process, they'll have that too. Also, all vaults come with a 2-year warranty with the option to add an extended warranty, obviously for peace of mind. One or two of their drawbacks is their price points and their learning curves. They will be slightly higher in cost because they have a ton more to offer. Also, with that ton more to offer, it may come with a bit of a steeper learning curve because, of course, with so many options, it doesn't come easy to just learn the software. So it will take some time to get into it. However, I do believe that it will be worth it. So there you go, folks. That's software in a nutshell. You can go ahead and drop a like if this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more, you can visit their website, and we will see you in another awesome video.